I imagine that now you're wondering what's next. There are actually several different options about what steps to take next to continue in your healing. One of those options is that if this work has whetted your appetite for something much deeper, I invite you to consider doing a personal intensive with me. I tailor every personal intensive to you personally. So if you're interested, it can be 2 days or 3 days, depending on what you're available for. 8 hours a day, covering content and issues of your life, coming up with ways to find healing, ways to grow, and especially a roadmap for how to take the next right steps and where to go from here. If you are staying well, my question would be, how has your spouse changed in these last 6 months? If he has come to a place where he's recognizing a need for his own growth and change, it would be worth considering a marriage intensive at this point. And actually, even if you're not staying well but you've been separated, a marriage intensive might be a good idea as well. What I want you to remember is that we don't put the pressure of reconciliation on you in a marriage intensive. I know that hope is there often, but the reality is there's a lot of issues that have to be worked through before you can even think about reconciling. And so the point of the marriage intensives are to bring healing, to give you tools with which you can communicate about the issues so that you can absolutely bring resolution and come to a place where you will know whether or not reconciliation is even possible. The truth is that your heart can be restored and renewed regardless of whether or not the marriage does. But being able to heal issues together is a huge step towards that. So consider a marriage intensive. Another thing to consider is doing some trauma work with me. If you are experiencing C-PTSD or PTSD or just feel triggered by everything, it would be helpful to do something such as lifespan integration. You've probably heard us talk about that. The healing timeline is also what it's called. And what it does is it just helps your brain to physically restructure in such a way that it makes it so that your past traumas are resolved. They're still part of your story, but you're not triggered by every little sight or sound or smell or whatever that remotely resembles something during that time period. It makes it so that you can have much better groundedness and clarity about handling whatever's going on in your life today without being compounded by past trauma. Another next step that I am excited to tell you about is we are developing a small group intensive counseling program limited to just a few people that will go for 14 weeks, 2 hours a week, a video call in which work on stuff from your perspective. It will give you a chance to heal and grow and just go deeper no matter what the rest of your circumstances are. It gives you the power of the group dynamic as well, which I have seen be so sweet in groups, that it just brings connection and community that you can't get through any other means, really. It's even deeper than what you get out of the Facebook group because it's just intense and intimate and good connection. I encourage you to look into that as well. The point is, we don't want your healing to stall, and it kind of feels like, you're just sort of moving into maintenance mode. We don't want it to be just maintenance. We want it to be ongoing support and growth and healing and hope. Whatever you do, keep seeking wisdom and knowledge. Keep speaking what you've learned to encourage those behind you. And even if you don't follow through with any of our other programs, I have loved walking alongside you in this and would love to continue seeing where your journey goes. So thank you for doing this. Thank you for allowing us to peer into your life a little bit, and thank you for letting us be part of your journey. If you have any questions about what to do next, or you're interested in any of the things that I mentioned, please contact the front desk and we will get you all the information you need. Thank you. Take care.